Hi nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy broccoli casserole.
This easy, creamy casserole is packed with cheesy goodness, topped with a crisp and crumbly breadcrumb topping for the perfect make-ahead side dish.
Since this side dish is made with canned soup, it's super flavorful and creamy.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a broccoli casserole with canned soup.
I'm going to start this recipe with the broccoli. You can use either fresh or frozen for this casserole. Cook the veggies according to the package directions, or wash and chop fresh broccoli and boil or steam until tender. And let's get on with making the creamy cheesy sauce. In a bowl, mix 1 can of cream of mushroom soup along with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 cup or 125 grams of grated cheddar cheese or your favorite melting cheese. Mix this together until you have a smooth, creamy, thick sauce. Now that my broccoli has cooked, I'm going to drain off the liquid and arrange it into a casserole dish. I'm going to add the sauce on top of the cooked veggies, toss and mix everything together to coat the broccoli. This casserole is great to make ahead of time and cook later, especially if you're making it for something like Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Easter. That way, all you need to do on the big day is reheat and toast the crust. You can, of course, make this casserole the same day as well. If you're making this in advance, allow the dish to cool to room temperature, cover and store in the refrigerator. The day of the meal, or right away if you're making it for dinner tonight, cover the top of the casserole with about 1/2 cup of dried breadcrumbs. You can use homemade breadcrumbs, which is what I have today. I've just dried out some slices of bread in a low oven and then passed it through a food processor to turn it into crumbs. Easier still, you can buy store-bought breadcrumb, or if you want to try something a little different, spread on some crushed cornflakes, dried stuffing bread, or even crushed crackers. I've drizzled on top about 3 tablespoons of melted butter so everything browns nicely in the oven. Then bake in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for 35 minutes, or until everything is heated through and the crust is golden brown. Serve this extra flavorful broccoli casserole right away on the side of your favorite meal. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.